What's going on, guys? Welcome back to more Food Tales. As you can see, we're now in the kitchen today. Today we're going to be doing a seafood boil mukbang for today's video. As you can see, we got some lobster tails. I actually picked this up separately because I didn't want to have to deconstruct the whole lobster. So I just got little mini lobster tails. We have some shrimp, some sausages, and then we have some corn. I'm excited for this. So where I picked it up from was Captain Boyle. That spice is ready. What the So yeah, guys, so I picked this up from Captain Boyle's. If you're not familiar with it, it's a chain in Canada. I know in the States you guys probably have like the I think it's called the boiling crab, but we have Captain Boyle. So all of this was about 25 Canadian dollars. So as I said, so we have some sausage, lobster tail, some shrimp, and then we just got some corn there. So I'm super hungry. I'm excited for this. I think I'm gonna start with the sausage first. The only thing that sucks is that you can't get any of the sauce on the side. It's whatever sauce they give you. That's good. Yeah, I haven't eaten here in like since February, so it's been a while. Got my napkins on deck. Well, not my napkins, but my paper towel. Got my little setup here. Got my little bib. Have to make sure I brought the bib in. It's kind of spicy. It's not like crazy spicy, but you see that lobster tail. It's kind of it's a little baby one. Next time I'll upgrade to a big one, but this little baby one, but. Nope. That's good. Another shrimp. The only thing I hate about the shrimp is having to take everything out. But it's worth it though. It's the only thing I hate about is having to take all the stuff off. I know some people actually eat it, but no, not me. I gotta take everything off. And I kind of struggle with it, to be honest. Like I'm doing now. Jeez, I'm really struggling. Alright, there we go. Because I don't like no shell in mine. No shell whatsoever. Jeez. Why am I struggling so much with this?
We'll return after these messages.
Finally got that off. Alright. Honestly, I love the sausage. Honestly, I think in Canada we need to get more competition with this because I know there's like other restaurants that do seafood, but I don't think they do it like this. Captain Boyle is good, but I know in the States there's so much more options. So I wish they kind of have more options down here. But honestly, I feel like they kind of, for 25 bucks, I feel like it's kind of skimpy. I feel like they could have put more in this, but it is what it is. I'm still enjoying it. I get a lot of questions of like people asking me like how to learn how to cook and whatnot. So honestly, I remember like being young, like falling asleep to the Food Network. Like literally used to just fall asleep. Used to be staying up all night. I used to watch that stuff until like 2, 3 in the morning, falling asleep to it. So that kind of got me into like food and cooking. And honestly, eventually, like as I got older, like anyone who knows me, like I would always just experiment on different foods inside of my house. So I would try to make like, I don't know, just started like trying to make pizza, and then from there just graduated, you know? So kind of how I started, but then hold on. I know a lot of people don't like that, but yeah. And then I kind of just started like going online, looking at different recipes, looking at different cooks, and kind of just from there back in like this probably when I was in high school, like 14, 15 years old. I kind of just started from there, and yeah, from there kind of just blossomed. And I've always loved to cook, so that's kind of where I just kind of started. It really was just like the Food Network, constantly watching it and stuff. So that was definitely like a big component into why I started getting into cooking. The thing I hate about this is sometimes they don't really devein it.
Oh, you nasty.
See all the poo and stuff, it's kind of nasty though. Wow. It's all good. I honestly think that like everyone should at least attempt to learn how to cook. You know what I mean? Like it's when you're like slaving in the kitchen, you're working for your meal. It tastes so much better. So much better. Got a little sausage. I honestly could have got potatoes, but I don't know. I like potatoes, but the way they do theirs, I don't really like it that much. So I'd rather get the corn and just get the shrimp. One of these videos coming up, I'm actually gonna do my own seafood boil because I make a pretty good seafood boil. I've made it a couple times already. And the sauce is pretty good that I do, so I'm gonna show you how I do mine. I like to have mine seasoned with the sauce and have sauce to dip it in. Oh my god, it's getting in my face. Yeah, I think I have one more little lobster tail left. Look how skimpy that is. So skimpy and small, man. Still tastes good though. I think this is gonna be enough for me, to be honest. My first meal of the day, so waited all day for this. Ooh. It's one of those things where like it's not that spicy, but like over time, when you're eating it, that's when the kind of like I feel like the spices kind of just builds up on it. Put the little legs away because I'm not eating none of that. It's nasty. I'm not into that. But I definitely gotta try like some more like seafood restaurants like this because as I said, this is probably like my third time at Captain Boyle's. So I definitely feel like I need to go to the States to really get a good experience. Probably somewhere down south or something. Like Atlanta. Texas probably too, but that sausage, man. That was gonna suck on the head.
Boy, if you don't
Pop that off. Not some people be eating it. I don't know how people eat that whole, man. It's disgusting. I feel like I kind of forgot how to peel these because it's been so long, honestly. I think I was struggling all video just trying to take it off. Perfect. Got a little bit of sauce there. I actually even get like chicken and I put in there too. I love having chicken with this. I don't seafood, but having the chicken with the sauce too, it slaps. I feel like that was some ASMR type stuff right there. Yeah, honestly, now that I think about it, it's really not that much food. But that's why, honestly, I don't really eat seafood that often because I feel like it pays so much for such a small amount. But honestly, I was feeling to eat some seafood today. For next week's video, I'm actually going to be back in the kitchen. I'm going to be doing episode 2 of giving fast food places a run for their money. It's going to be, if you have like a sweet tooth, it's going to be something along the lines of that. So that should give you guys a little bit of a hint of what I'm going to be doing next week. So it should be a nice little video. That sauce, man. I don't know if I mentioned it. So what I get is like the Captain Boyle sauce. So this thing is like, it's like a combination of like, they have like a garlic one, like a garlic butter. And one is like a combination of like, I think they have like cayenne pepper with some other like, other spices, whatever. So it's basically a combination of 3 other sauces. I can't remember what the other one is though. Maybe it's like lemon, I don't know. I honestly can't really remember, to be honest. But yeah, the Captain Boyle sauce is a combination of all 3. I personally like it the best. Well, technically I've actually never tried the other one, so, but I just feel like this one is probably the best for me. Because that's a mixture of everything. And their sausage is really good too. I'm probably gonna finish most of this on camera. Cause man, they did not give me a lot, man. I don't know, I feel like the times I've gone when I'm actually like there, it was more. I feel like because I picked it up, they kind of shysted me a little bit. And I wasn't gonna drive all the way back there, but I mean, I guess it's not bad. But it's definitely not gonna fill me up though. This is why I hate getting the shrimp, man. I hate having to peel all this stuff off, man. That one was easier. That tastes good. Yeah, you see, it's starting to get a lot easier for me now. As I said, it's literally been like since February since I had this, so I kind of forgot how to, to really get them off a lot faster. So at the beginning I was struggling a bit, but now it seems like I'm doing pretty good. But usually when I do my seafood boil, I don't get the shrimp that has the head and all that stuff on it, honestly. I get all that taken off because it's too much work. Damn, I only have like what, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, I only have 5 left. I'm actually a little disappointed right now. A little disappointed I only have 5 of them left, but it's all good. Oh, you see? No, I'm really moving with it. Take out the legs because I'm trying to eat that. Got one more little sausage left. Yeah, I definitely gotta show you guys mine because it's gonna be a lot more meat than this. But I think they're definitely more skinny. I know I've already said it like 1,000 times, but I don't know. I feel like anytime I've gone inside, I've never gotten this little. But as I said, it's all good. Still enjoying my food, so I don't know. Leave a comment down below if you guys like take everything off or you leave a little bit of the shell on. I don't like any of the shell being on. Like not at all. I've seen some people eat it with the shell on, and honestly, they did not do a great job of like. That's the only thing is like it's not deveined and there's still like I don't know. Honestly, I just don't think about it. Just eat it up. Because if I inspect too hard, it's gonna gross me out of it. Okay, look at that with the quickness. You know, with the quickness right there. Oh, that was fast. All that work just for a little piece of shrimp. But that sauce is it though. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
What the hell is that? What is wrong with me? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay guys, so after just sitting down for like 5 minutes, yeah, I'm not very satisfied at all. I don't know if it was, I don't know, man. I've had it, like, this is my 3rd time having this place. And the first time was just, it was really good. Second time was very good too, but I don't know, man. This time around, it was not hitting. Like, the sauce is still good, but it just wasn't hitting. I don't know, man. Damn.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching my seafood boil mukbang. So as I said, next week, we're going to be doing episode 2 of giving fast food restaurants a run for their money. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, drop a comment down for me there. And to stay updated with any of my food video updates or with Marv Food Tales, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @Marv Food Tales. And you guys already know how it goes. If you're Marv, stay tuned for the next episode. Marv, gang!